Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with a product that promises to make your life a little easier, the 3-in-1 rechargeable smart sweeper. We found this nifty little device online and have added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Car Robot Vacuum is a compact, multifunctional cleaning tool designed specifically for hard surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. It integrates 3 essential cleaning functions: vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping, all in one small, efficient device. This means you can say goodbye to juggling multiple cleaning tools and enjoy a seamless cleaning experience. Let's talk about its standout features. First up, the triple cleaning modes. This versatile sweeper doesn't just vacuum, it also sweeps and mops, ensuring a thorough clean for your home or vehicle. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or just everyday dust, it has you covered without the hassle of switching tools. Next, we have the compact navigation design. This little powerhouse is built to maneuver in tight spaces, effortlessly gliding under furniture and around narrow corners. Its logical navigation path means it doesn't miss a spot, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas in both apartments and vehicles. One of the most appealing aspects of this vacuum is its quiet yet powerful suction. The high-performance motor effectively lifts pet dander and other debris from hard floors while keeping noise levels to a minimum. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to clean without disrupting their peace, whether you're working from home or simply relaxing. Another great feature is the simple button activation. With just one press, you can launch the sweeper for daily floor care. The removable dustbin and washable mopping pad make cleaning up after use a breeze, so you can spend less time tidying up and more time enjoying your clean space. So, who is this vacuum suitable for? If you have pets, live in a compact space, or just want an easy way to maintain cleanliness without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods, this product is designed for you. It's light enough to store easily in confined areas or even take along for vehicle